My name is Amani and I love tongue twisters. But some of these twisters can be challenging, and that's why I want to help you practice so we can get better at saying them together. Here's how this tongue twister challenge works. First, you'll hear me say a tongue twister really slowly. Then, you'll hear a sound like this. That's the signal for you to repeat the tongue twister with me. At each sound, my voice will get softer and the speed will become faster. But we'll practice together until we both get better. Today's ToffeeTV tongue twister challenge is Keekar की लकड़ी पर कीकर की मकड़ी. Ready? Let's go! कीकर की लकड़ी पर कीकर की मकड़ी. 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 Let's try it again, a little faster. Ready? Let's go! कीकर की लकड़ी पर कीकर की मकड़ी. 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 That's pretty good. Let's go a little faster. Ready? Here we go. कीकर की लकड़ी पर कीकर की मकड़ी. 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 You're doing so well. Ready? Get set. Go! कीकर की लकड़ी पर कीकर की मकड़ी. 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 Excellent! Share this video with a friend and challenge them to this tongue twister challenge. Thanks for playing the ToffeeTV tongue twister challenge. Come back soon.
There's always something new at ToffeeTV. Like and share tons of videos. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. ToffeeTV.com